All right, this is a quick video to show you how the Google Docs environment works with the syllabus. When you follow the link in the email that I've provided, or that's on the course D2L site, it takes you to this page here. You can page through the syllabus and take a look at it, but there are a few good features that I want to show you. First, when you go into the View menu, make sure that you have the Show Document Outline option clicked. That creates this outline on the left side that you can use to navigate through the various sections and parts of the syllabus. That makes it a lot easier to move through it. You can also change what the syllabus looks like by toggling on or off the print layout menu. Right now, without the print layout, it just goes from one page right into the next smoothly like one solid document. If you want to see what it looks like if you were to print it, when you click that, then it adds page separations and headers and footers as well. The other thing I want to point out is that this is what's called an annotated syllabus, which means that I'm leaving open the option for you to make comments on the syllabus and make recommendations for things that you think would be improvements. If there's something that's worded in a confusing way, then you can make a comment about that. If there's some sort of change that you want to suggest, you can make a comment about that as well. The way that you do that, it's very easy. You just highlight the section or the word or the area that you want to comment on, and then click on this icon over here, Add Comment. And then you can put in here your comment. And then I'll see it and I can respond to it, and other students can respond to it as well. You can toggle your notification settings. So when you come up here to the upper right with the comments, you can tell Google how you want to receive notifications. So you can tell it that you want to receive a notification every time somebody comments on the syllabus. That might be a lot. Or you could indicate, I only want to get notifications when somebody responds to a comment that I made. So you could do that, and then Google will contact you whenever somebody has a response to your comment. And that's it. I hope you enjoy the syllabus.